For row 8 I'm going to start again with the wrong double crochet and crochet 2 double crochets through the first stitch as the increase. Then you skip 1 stitch and you crochet into the second stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, and that's all into the same stitch. We're working through both loops all the time in row 8, and from now on we're going to skip 2 stitches all the time and into the third stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Again, skip 2 stitches and through the third 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, skip 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, and so on until the center. So here at the center we're going to skip one more time 2 stitches and to crochet our double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet through the same stitch. And we're going to skip the center stitch, so you skip only 1 stitch and crochet here a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet, and then again you continue with skip 2 and the same pattern as before. So we have here 2 stitches left and we're going to crochet 2 double crochets into the last stitch, but we also have to change the color. So you crochet 1 double crochet and the second double crochet you're going to finish this with the new color. So we have 2 loops left of the second double crochet, and now I'm going to use my yarn and to finish this stitch with the new color like this, and then you tie a knot with the short tail of the new color. Then you cut the yarn from this magic ball, and now we're going to crochet 1 row with the new color. So we're going to turn our work, and actually we're going to crochet in row 9 only double crochets, and I'm starting here also with a wrong double crochet, and then you increase the first 3 stitches as you already know. 2 double crochets through the second stitch, and 2 double crochet through the third stitch. Now we're going to fill out this space, and we're going to crochet 2 double crochets under the chain stitches, so only 2 here, and then all the time 3 double crochets through each space. So here 3 double crochets through the next space, and 3 double crochets through the next space. Here only the top spaces, so not these, not the sharp, but the open. So you skip these and you have always the top, the open spaces, not the sharp one, the open. Again, 3 double crochets into this space. Here at the center, you're going to crochet 3 double crochets through the center here, through the top space, crochet 3 double crochets here to get our increase, and then again our 3 double crochets only through the top, through the open spaces, not the tips. And you repeat this until you have 3 stitches left. So, and if you have 3 stitches left, we're going to crochet 2 double crochet through the first of the 3, 2 double crochets through the second, and 2 double crochet through the third. But don't finish this one because we have also to change the color here. So we have 2 loops left of the second double crochet. Then we're going to use the magic ball for finishing this stitch, and then again on the back side you're going to tie a knot, and then you cut the Mars green. Yeah, this is how it looks like so far. So this is our pattern. That's the whole pattern, row 1 to row 9. And now we're going to repeat row 1 to 8 with this magic ball, and then row 9 again with Mars green. So you repeat this, what I showed you, repeat this all the time from now on. Actually, you start here with the magic ball, and you can crochet the first row already through the back loop only. So usually you have second and third row with the back loop only, but you can do this also from now on, because you have here your double crochet base. So yeah, you can do it right away. You know where to find the gorgeous yarn. We have it, of course, in our shop, woolpedia.net. You can find there also other colorways, so that's not only this gradient yarn. The magic ball has also different, or shopper has different magic balls and gradient yarns. So I hope you like the pattern. I really like the yarn and the colors a lot, so they are just so gorgeous. I love to see them. It's like looking outside of your window and seeing your garden, seeing the beach and the waves, and it's just like, yeah, it's so nice. I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, I hope you liked the tutorial too. Happy crocheting. Have a lot of fun with your shawl. Post your pictures and the social media, and don't forget the hashtag Woolpedia, that we can find your gorgeous projects, or on Ravelry. We are also on Ravelry. Yeah, looking forward for your beautiful work, and until next time, bye bye.